Hello, everyone.
Hello, happy weekend.
It is Saturday today, and we are opening up Lucario V-Star. And also,
We needed a reason to open packs.
We needed a reason because Deep Pocket Monster sent us his play button to sign.
Yeah.
Which is a huge honor.
Very much so.
And we're very excited to be signing it. Recently became mods of his channel. And both of us, I mean, Billy would be nothing without Rubik's. And let's be honest, Rubik's would definitely be nothing without Billy.
100%.
At least in the Pokemon world, maybe.
Yes, so that was very nice. So yeah, we're gonna open it up here and sign it, but we might as well open up some packs. We got this. What was this? Already like discount? Not I wouldn't say discounted, but it was cheaper.
33 bucks in Canada.
In
that's
Canada,
pretty cheap.
Yeah, the U.S. It was last time I saw the price. It was like $44.
Yeah.
So unfortunately, there are there's 3 Fusion Strike packs in here.
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
Yeah.
Because I hate Fusion Strike, but who knows?
Yeah, we both hate Fusion
Who
Strike.
knows? Maybe it'll be nice to us. But yeah, I really like the Lucario card. I have a collection of the pins, so yeah, I might as well open these up first before we open the play button to sign. So.
Okay, perfect. So we're gonna start off with the Lucario box.
All right. Can I go Cool Trainer Ryan on this?
Sure.
Nothing flew out as much, but there's a much more efficient way of opening these boxes.
I mean, he's not entirely wrong.
All right, so we've got the pin. We have premium collection. All right, so
Okay. All right.
All right.
Leonidas is on the floor. He's very much enjoying this.
Got a little Lucario coin.
I'm surprised when Ryan isn't doing this, his cats are not surrounding him trying to steal everything. Because cats tend to do that.
Let's look at this Lucario. Oh, that looks nice. Ooh. Looks clean. Corners are clean. See, now I always just look for the corners. If the corners aren't right, then it doesn't really matter after a while. I mean, centering, I don't know. I think corners, these are cut really, really well. Ooh. Nice.
Got a nice jib. They have a nice jib.
Okay. So you will put those away.
Yep.
As I mentioned, we have
Fusion sets.
We get very angry if nothing gets pulled out of these right now.
Yeah, we have one shilling right
now. Yeah. I think the best thing we've ever pulled out of Fusion Strike was the Gengar VMAX, just the regular. Because Fusion Strike sucks. And then we have 1 Chilling Rain and 2
Brilliant Stars, which is good.
Yeah. Beauty. And a V-Star marker.
And a drink.
And a drink. She overpoured.
I overpoured. Yeah. I only wanted a bit of gin, and my arm went a little bit more than expected.
All right, so we get rid of the sadness first?
Sure. Leonidas is playing with the stuff on the floor.
Oh, now we have the camera in this direction. It's a white code card, so it's crap.
Yeah, there's nothing in it, baby. There's nothing in it.
There's never anything in it. Oh, Skarmory, Meryl. Absol was my rare. I mean, gotta figure out a better way. Now I won't be able to see the cards.
Well, you know,
White code card again.
It's just like why even bother?
There could be an error. Hold on.
There's no errors.
And then we can put error pack on our video, right? It was an error pack. All right, last Fusion Strike, please. White code.
Oh my god. Okay, you've been watching too much Cool Trainer Ride.
Nothing.
Okay.
Fusion Strike.
Right. Chilling Rain.
Sucks.
I mean, we did it for the promo cards more than anything else.
That's true.
To be honest with you.
But still, you'd like to get a hit.
Yeah, it's true. What can you do? Oh, there's nothing in here either.
Green code card.
Shocking revelation.
What was the rare? Sir Farfetch'd. Oh god. Alright.
Brilliant Stars is the only one that can save us now, as per usual. It's always Brilliant Stars.
Piplup, Enchino, Airblast, Torterra, and a Dusknoir Hollow.
Wow.
That was it.
Wow. We're doing really good.
Oh.
Oh, it's a black one.
Black code card. Be more specific.
Okay. Okay. Let me just...
And it's an Empoleon Hollow.
Well, that was crap. That was terrible.
Crap box.
I can't believe we didn't get one hit.
Nothing.
Mind
Got
you,
two hollows.
I'm not surprised.
Two hollows.
This is why we just don't do modern openings. Like, at least whenever you get a Japanese booster box, you know you're guaranteed a certain amount of hits per booster box.
Whole lot of nothing in there.
That's what you call bulk. And you don't get as much for bulk as you do for buying the packs.
Okay.
Yeah. It's just unfortunate.
Anyways.
For anybody who's opening up modern.
The reason we wanted to do a video.
Yeah,
The reason
so
we
the
bought
actual
cards.
real reason is because we're gonna open this and sign it. And it's been taped several times before.
Jeff the Ref, shout out to your packaging skills here.
Yeah. I hope I don't cut into anything important.
I've never seen this up close.
Yeah, I mean,
who would we know that has 100,000 subscribers?
We would never have this opportunity to even look at one of these.
And now I give you the eternal struggle.
Right, how in the world? I don't even know.
Okay.
I mean, it is like full force packaged. How the F? Okay. Is it like there that it's?
There it is.
There we go.
Okay, yep, that's the way to do it. I think I broke it the other way, but it's
No, you
okay.
didn't break it.
Or I ripped it. Either way. Alright, cool. You guys want something funny? Can you close that for me?
I can't close it. I will hurt. I don't know how to do it.
Press the button.
I'm pressing. Baby, no, this is dangerous.
Okay. Alright, so I think it's gonna open up.
we think so.
Okay, there you go.
Okay.
Oh, there's a note.
Said being a part of the Deep Pocket Monster team.
Okay.
Please sign this. Look button with enclosed
Read it out
mark on
loud.
the front, but not the mirror, and then tape it back up like you got it, and I'll tell you where to send it next. Just let me know. When you're ready, pop this message back into envelope, seal for the next person. Amazing! It's more so a message for...
They would like to know the message.
Okay.
Open.
Okay.
Oh, was that in there?
It was in there.
Jeff, you didn't put it back in the
Jeff.
envelope. So, oh look,
Okay.
there's a marker provided already.
Okay, all right.
There you go.
Closed mark. What the,
Okay,
well,
hold
you
on a
just-
second.
I-
Hold on a second. Hold on a second.
What?
Hold on a second. Stop. I will edit this. Hold on. Put that back inside. Put it and read it. Pronounce. You were like,
Oh, there's our hops.
Oh, okay.
Hops right there.
All right. Anyways, okay. So
We're doing this again.
because you read it to yourself, we have an audience. You have to like project what the
Okay,
letter
we're gonna
says.
do this again. 'Cause now it looks like we're fighting each other.
Okay. Maybe. You like read the letter. You're like, okay, congratulations. Open.
Well, I wanted to make sure there wasn't anything that he didn't want other people to see on the letter.
Action. I might not edit this out.
Okay,
All right.
what are we doing?
We got it open.
We got it
finally.
open. Finally.
Couldn't close my knife.
I couldn't close your knife.
And then
And then open.
we have a letter in here.
We have a letter. I'm gonna read it now.
Project.
Thank you so much for being a part of the Deep Pocket Monster team. Please sign this look button with the enclosed marker on the front, but not on the mirror. And then tape it back up like how you got it, and I'll tell you where to send it next. Just let me know When you're ready to send it off, thanks again. Oh, and pop this message back for the envelope, unsealed to the next person. You think we should like really just like screw with Serge and like seal it up for him?
Yeah.
Just kidding, I'm not gonna do that.
No, Jeff didn't put it back in the envelope. It was
Jeff, the ref.
loose. It was loose. The official
The
Deep
pen.
Pocket Monster pen.
All right, now the most important.
Ooh.
Wow, this is amazing.
That is very nice.
I'm scared to like.
It's
I
very
don't wanna.
light.
Oh, it is very light. Okay,
Let me
let's not
close-
break
let
the
me close
mirror.
this first for a sec.
Let's not break the mirror. Look at this. I'm scared to take it out. I don't want to like.
Wow.
That's amazing. Congrats, Pat Flynn of Deep Pocket Monster. Look at this thing.
It's very nice.
It is very nice. Now we're gonna sign it.
Let me closer. There you go. Ah. Insane, huh?
Yes.
Pretty cool.
All right.
Look at that.
Oh, look. Oh, yeah, you can draw a little Rubik's
I
Cube.
can put a little Rubik's Cube. Okay, well, there's
Okay.
Tina Marie's.
So let's do ours down here, just to keep it somewhat consistent.
Okay, perfect.
All right, I'm gonna...
You just put Billy plus, and then I'll do the Rubik's part.
And then underneath.
Underneath?
Yep.
All right, I'm just gonna do Rubik's. Little cube.
Little cube, baby.
There we go.
I'll put a little heart.
Beauty.
Amazing.
And look at that.
Amazing.
It's very nice. And ooh, look at the mirror part.
Ah, you can see it.
That's
Oh,
insane.
it's all like distorted and stuff.
Yeah. That
Wow.
is fantastic.
Congrats to Deep Pocket Monster.
Congrats, Pat.
And
Thank you.
so much for...
Including us in this. Yeah.
It's a very beautiful moment. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Awesome. So the next time you guys will see this,
So what we're planning on doing actually is the plan is not to tell PokeSurge that he's receiving this, and we want to surprise him. He doesn't know he's signing this yet, and I know it's going to be a very special moment for him. So yeah, we're going to be the ones to send it to him. We are close friends with him in the industry, and yeah, that's where it's going.
oh wait, there it is. All right. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.